Make Money Online 2024 $90 per hour online CAPTCHA typing jobs. Hey guys, are you interested in making some cash online this year? Well, buckle up because I've got something exciting to share with you. In this video, I'll spill the beans on a super simple and profitable typing gig that could earn you a cool $90 per hour just by typing CAPTCHAs online. Yup, you heard that right. So, if you're keen to boost your online earnings by typing, stick around till the end of this video to uncover the secrets of making money online in 2024 with $90 per hour online CAPTCHA typing jobs. Trust me, you won't want to miss this opportunity. Get ready to dive into a whole new world of online income opportunities. At Stash Cash, we've got your back every step of the way. We'll guide you through the entire process, help you level up your skills, and show you how to make money online without any limits. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest online money-making methods. We're all about hearing from you, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Let's embark on this money-making journey together. If you're unfamiliar with CAPTCHAs, let me shed some light on them. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It's a crucial security measure used on websites to distinguish between humans and automated bots. Essentially, it ensures that whoever interacts with the website is a real person, not a computer program. Here's how it works. You're presented with characters or images that you need to decipher. Websites use CAPTCHAs to beef up their security and prevent automated scripts from messing with their systems. Now, in the world of online opportunities, there's a platform called Megatypers.com that's worth checking out. It's one of the pioneers in offering financial rewards for completing CAPTCHAs. Megatypers is all about simplicity meeting profitability. Many people have relied on it as a steady source of income. The job is pretty straightforward. You earn money by typing a few CAPTCHAs. Megatypers has been around for a while and is known for its reliability. They pay out daily, showing their commitment to compensating contributors promptly. You can expect to earn around $100 to $250 per month on Megatypers depending on how much time you put in. They offer various payment methods like debit card, PayPal, bank checks, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union, making it convenient for users to cash out. While Megatypers might not be the end-all be-all for maximizing your earnings, it's a great starting point for those looking to pocket an extra $250 a month. Now, let's take a look at an app available on the Google Play Store called CAPTCHA Typing Work Online Job, developed by CaptureGenie. This app stands out as a top choice, offering some great benefits for your time and effort. According to reports, users have the potential to earn up to $500 per month by simply typing CAPTCHAs whenever it suits them. What's impressive is that the app has garnered an outstanding rating of over 4.5 stars, indicating a high level of user satisfaction, and it's been downloaded more than 500,000 times. CAPTCHA Typing Work Online Job positions itself as a notable online part-time job application, providing a flexible way for individuals to earn rewards at their own pace. Let's dive into the features of the app. It introduces a coin box, daily bonuses, extra offers, and referral rewards. These elements make the earning experience even more rewarding, allowing users to accumulate coins over time. The simplicity of typing CAPTCHAs in your spare time is emphasized, making the earning process not only lucrative but also remarkably easy. But wait, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then now's the perfect time to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future uploads. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now, let's dive into what could be considered the ultimate opportunity for solving CAPTCHAs. The third site, renowned as the absolute best. This platform not only stands out for its generous payout, but also offers a unique feature that allows you to recruit others to solve CAPTCHAs. Essentially, you can earn from their efforts as well. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the game changer, CAPTCHA.com. CAPTCHA.com emerges as an exceptionally impressive site, distinguishing itself with an impressive payout of $2.99 per JS CAPTCHAs. Their longevity in the industry adds an extra layer of reliability, assuring users of a stable and trustworthy platform. Upon navigating through the site, you'll find a plethora of CAPTCHA jobs and an extensive list of supported clients, highlighting the platform's robustness. To kickstart your journey on CAPTCHA.com, simply hit the sign up button to effortlessly create an account. Once you've completed this initial step, engaging in CAPTCHA entries becomes your gateway to instant payments. The ease with which you can initiate your earning journey speaks volumes about the user-friendly design of the platform. Now, let's explore a distinctive facet of CaptureGenie.com that elevates your earning potential even further. As you scroll down, a section titled Affiliate Program comes into view. Clicking on this opens up a world of possibilities. The affiliate program allows you to earn by promoting CaptureGenie.com, amplifying your income potential. Here's the exciting part. For every person you refer to the site who starts solving CAPTCHAs, you earn a 10% share of their earnings. Picture this, you refer 10 individuals, each earning $1,000. That's $10,000 in total earnings, and you pocket a cool $1,000. The potential for exponential earnings becomes evident as you imagine the impact of having numerous individuals working through your referral link. In fact, I'm even prepared to guide you on strategies to attract 1,000 people today, ensuring that your link garners the attention it deserves and amplifying your earnings from their collective efforts. Fantastic! You've secured your referral link, and now we're diving into the exciting realm of promotion, starting with the vast landscape of Facebook. This social platform is a goldmine for connecting with individuals keen on exploring opportunities like the one CaptureGenie.com presents. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to navigate Facebook to maximize your outreach. First and foremost, ensure you've copied your referral link. It's your golden ticket to earning from others' CAPTCHA-solving endeavors. Now, let's navigate to Facebook groups. Head over to Facebook and search for groups related to making money online. Specifically, look for groups with substantial activity, preferably those with 10 or more posts daily. Choose the right group among the plethora available. Opt for one with the highest engagement and a substantial member count. In our case, Make Money Online seems to be a promising hub as it has over 28,000 members with 10 daily posts. Now, create engaging posts. Craft posts that capture attention. For instance, tease the audience with an intriguing statement like, "Get paid $90 every hour. Comment interested below if you'd like me to send you the information." This approach tends to draw curiosity and participation. Interact with comments. Once people start commenting, engage with them. Answer their questions, provide more information, and encourage them to use your referral link. This personal touch can significantly increase your chances of converting them into referrals. As comments roll in, engage with the audience by liking their comments. This simple act can increase visibility and interaction. Instead of posting your link directly in the comments, initiate a conversation by sending a direct message. Alternatively, encourage interested individuals to DM you, creating a more personalized connection. Leverage multiple posts daily. Repeat this process multiple times throughout the day, targeting different active groups. This strategy ensures a steady influx of potential referrals. By employing this method, you can easily reach 1,000 people or more each day. The key lies in consistency and personalized interactions. As you continue to engage with the community, your network of individuals exploring CAPTCHA solving through your referral link will grow exponentially. So, roll up your sleeves and let's embark on this journey to amplify your reach and earnings on CaptureGenie.com. And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Stash Cash. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.